Earth is Ghetto, Episode 28. Education? Teach them just enough to work, never enough to lead. School taught us how to sit still, not how to stand up. The U.S. public school system was shaped in the 1800s. Using an industrial model, standardized schedules, obedience, repetition. Men like Horace Mann built a structure. Industrialists like John D. Rockefeller funded it. Rockefeller said, "I don't want a nation of thinkers. I want a nation of workers." That wasn't a metaphor. That was a mission statement. Parents are criminalized for not sending their children into this system. Schools are penalized if they don't follow the approved curriculum. Attendance is mandatory, obedience is enforced. At a public charter school located on the campus of Howard University, an HBCU, teachers were fired after teaching Black history outside the sanitized script. Even at an HBCU, the curriculum had limits. Parents said the teachers were dismissed for teaching real African and African American history. They removed African civilizations. They turned the continent of kings, queens, scientists, mathematicians, architects. They removed Black inventors, astronomers, herbalists, and engineers into a slavery chapter in a Rosa Parks paragraph. That's not an accident. That's psychological colonization. And ask yourself this: if Black people weren't powerful, why go to such lengths to erase us? You don't censor what's harmless. You don't ban books that don't awaken minds. They removed our memory because memory activates power. They interrupted our knowing because knowing creates leaders. A people who survive slavery, colonization, erasure, and still create culture for the entire planet aren't weak, they're dangerous. That's why they keep trying to make us forget. But now is the time to remember who you are. Earth is Ghetto.